In this video,
Memo and Shani. So I got my loofah shampoo conditioner. I'm trying to go to Legos. Come to the Legos. This is a fun part. We have to go. A little messed up, but that's alright.
I hope y'all enjoy.
What's up, guys and gals? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am doing a vlog. Today is Saturday, technically. It's Friday night, but it's not. It's Saturday. It is Saturday, March 29th at 12:15 in the morning. If you know what that means. It is my papa's birthday. So, my papa passed away November 19th, I think, 2021. And it's his birthday today. So, we're gonna try and be busy and do stuff with Mama and have fun. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. And yes, look at those eye bags, dude. Good morning. Oh gosh. Y'all aren't gonna believe what I did last night. So recently, I've been waking up a lot in the night for a lot of reasons. But this is what I did last night. Dang, if the camera would focus, it would be better. You ready? I literally did that. I woke up like that. I had dreams, like nightmares and stuff, but I don't even remember them. Oh, I want to call my friend, but I think I'm going to call my friend while I start to do my makeup, because I don't have a lot of time. I just did my makeup, and we're headed now to the nail salon, and we're going to get our nails done. I got hiccups, so apologize for that, but yeah. Are y'all excited? What? I said, are y'all excited?
Are you talking to us?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry, I thought you were talking to me.
I was, but then I turned around and went, are y'all excited?
You didn't tell us. We're excited.
Oh, sorry. We're excited. Say hey.
Hello. I'm being pampered for just a minute.
Got our toes done, and I'm gonna show y'all my toes. Look how cute and pretty. I really need to get my toenails hurt. I got changed. I got my Hope hat on. I got my Hope shirt on I wore earlier, and then I got these pants on and these shoes.
I got a hat.
Yeah, we're going to get food, and then we're gonna go to the mall. We're at Shane's Rib Shack. I'm nauseous. Please pray for me. I'm about to have a panic attack.
For the,
I got chicken strips, chicken tenders. She got grilled chicken tenders, she got ribs, and he got a burger. We're in the mall and there's a market going on. Look at these cars. Those are sick. Guys, look at these purses. Like, aren't these so cool? And then they have these like books that are purses. It's so cool. Look at Nemo. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Look at that thing.
Oh my lord.
He's only 3 weeks old.
Oh my gosh. Oh guys, it's a pickleball gnome. Guys, look, there's a petting zoo. I don't know if it's free though. It costs money. Dang it. There's a camel, and a donkey, and goats.
I'm scared. They bite. I'm afraid to pet them, but I want them. Hey. So that okay? I threw it on his back. Wait, is it still on?
Don't waste your food.
These are so funny.
Daniel, don't eat those. Those don't need it. You get a patch of the tail. Oh, that's cute.
Scared of this.
For comb or hat? Oh, she held on to it. It bit you. Oh my gosh.
It's just a camel. It won't fly. No. My little turtle gets thrown. I'm trying to give you food. You want food? I will go somebody in the
We are at Dairy Queen, and I'm getting me a strawberry milkshake. And yeah, that's what we do.
Were you gonna say something?
Got me a strawberry milkshake.
It's a work.
So guys, we are going on a drive, and I'm excited, and Sonny's with us. Say hey, Sonny boy.
Shaking.
Yeah, he always does that. He might fart on you.
I got you.
Look how bad he's shaking. Sonny. He did really good when I took him to the dentist, to the vet. He like sat there and was quiet. He didn't even shake until we went in the room. Memo and Shani. We're trying to see if that's a bald eagle. It's really far away, so it's hard to kind of tell. We made it home, and now I'm tired. Me and Daddy are going to Walmart because we gotta run some errands. So yeah. So I'm over here in the makeup, and I'm grabbing Okay, I gotta get cotton balls. Jumbo. 400 cotton balls. That's a lot of cotton balls. I'm gonna see if there is a different scent of the stuff that I use. That ain't the right aisle. So I made it to the shampoo and conditioner aisle. I can't get y'all to sit. And this is what I get, is Herbal Essence, if that's how you say it. And the last one I was just using is the Rose Hips one. This one smells amazing. I really like all the scents they have, but they do need to come out with more scents because they only have like 4. So this one's really good. It's coconut. I've only ever used it once, I think. This one's very summery, and it smells like my body butter. Then there's the whatever this says. So good. Oh, that one's very clean smelling. So if you want a clean smell, this. If you want like a summery, beachy smell, this. And then they never have this lavender one. This one smells like kind of a perfumey lavender. And then, this one smells, it just like kind of smells like what a typical shampoo would smell like. So I think I'm gonna go with the, I had the yellow one. What is this? Not tea tree. It's alright. So I decided to get this one. I wanted the lavender so bad. They only have the huge ones, and I don't need to get the huge ones because for travel and stuff, it's just not a good idea. So I got my loofah, shampoo, conditioner, those things. I'm trying to go to Legos. Come to the Legos. this is a fun part. We have to go. You gotta go to Legos. Sorry. Legos is just, it's a necessary trip when you come to Walmart. Roll back. Uh-oh, I see a clearance sign. For the flowers. $50? Wait, how much are the, oh, they were $60 for the roses. Wow, what a steal. Guys, I want all of these, okay? Bro, what the heck? Oh, this is what I got Timothy for Christmas. And then I want this so bad. $130 for Simba. Look at the Up house. No, wait, it's only $50. I'm buying that when I can, actually. Oh, look, it's Stitch. They have a mini one. Mini. Okay, this is bad. This is my favorite section in the store. Guys, this game. Oh, excuse me, I'm so fun. Ugh. Somebody got that out. He is being annoying.
Hey, look for, go down in there and look and see if you got him.
Anyone? Why was that so funny? This is where I stole. Right there, that's where I stole.
I have nothing to say to you.
They were $3. Oh. Maybe we need to get this E600 glue to stick it around your mouth. You can't kick me.
More than you, but I bet I can.
Could kick me, but. So I'm getting Memo some flowers to maybe cheer her up because of Papa. But I love this sunflower, but I would have to mix it with something because it's not, like that's not enough flowers, you know? But I thought about going to, I thought about going to Publix because Publix has gorgeous flowers. So I got Mama and Memo a sunflower each, and I'll explain what I'll do with the rest later. I thought it was so pretty. We'll see later. So there's a spider on here. Hi. Come on, camera. If y'all see this baby spider, I'm gonna kill it. It's gonna die. You're going to die. I can't grab it. Okay, we're just gonna. What? Frick. Oh, he's right. Ah! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I got him. He's dead. I got spider guts on me. So guys, what I'm going to do with the rest of these flowers, a little messed up, but that's alright. They're still really pretty. I just kind of can pull them down a little. I have 4. I just gave Mama and Mama theirs. And so now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to go to the hospital and I'm going to put a little note. And then I'm going to have a note. And then I'm going to have them a flower on their car. I'm just going to put it on the car. So, yeah, I just thought that would be a good idea, and I feel like I want to do that weekly, have maybe a few flowers and go give it to people. And I think an anonymous thing where you don't know who it is, even though these people won't know me. I feel like it's just, I'm gonna lose it. I'm actually gonna lose it. Hello?
Hello?
I'm filming. Anyways, so I might put a Bible verse on one of them, but I feel like sometimes, like, Bible verses are good, but sometimes I feel like just a little saying is good enough too. So I'm gonna find some sticky notes or something. Alright guys, so I had a few different thoughts that came to my head. I prayed about it. We have a typical one that I just felt the Lord was, well, all of these I feel like the Lord was guiding me, but you are loved. And everything is gonna be okay. But these two are good. So the Lord gave me this. I put this one. It says, never forget the view at the top of the mountain. It's always worth the climb. And I was like, bang. And then this last one says, the sunflower always follows the light. What are you following? So, I thought that was good. I'm headed to the hospital now. I'm headed to the hospital to put these flowers on somebody's cars. I just got upstairs from hanging out with Daddy and Mama, and now I'm going to get a shower and go to bed. I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you I'm so tired. If you did, please leave this video with a big thumbs up. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on another video. Bye.